Hey Kinky Girls, Tanel here, and I straightened my hair around the holidays time and I left it in a blown out state for about 4 to 6 weeks. So now it's time to wash it. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I went from this to this. Process, I'll be using apple cider vinegar and Indian healing clay to neutralize my hair. And you guys, you can check out my full review on Aztec Indian healing clay by clicking the link above. So after I mixed it up, I am separating my hair into 4 sections and making my life easier. Once that is complete, I grab me some gloves because girl, it's gonna get messy, and also grab you a towel. So this is what my hair looks like after 6 weeks of being straightened or straight. Not bad, but my ends are dry and my scalp is itchy. I start off in the back using a dye brush and applying the clay from roots to ends, finger combing through each section. I got rid of the brush because it was just too much, and using my hands was a little bit messier, but it made my life so much easier. So once the section is completed, I twist it up and complete the other section. The clay is also great for your skin, so why not? I'm going to give myself a mask and make it a spa day. I let it stay on until it dries. After I rinse the clay out, my curls have returned. Yes, ma'am. My hair is moisturized and ready for the next step, which is completely optional, but my hair was dirty and dry. My scalp was dirty and dry. So I'm using OGX Nourishing Coconut Milk Shampoo. And I'm focusing the shampoo on my scalp, making sure that I apply it on my scalp and rub it in to begin the lathering process. Because when I did the clay focused on the strands, and now I'm focusing on my scalp. So massaging the shampoo in with my fingertips and just a slightly scratch, not too much, because girl, when you was going to the salon, or when you go to the salon, that was the best part. You might even give out a little moan. So anyway, so once I rinse the shampoo out, I'm going in with OGX Coconut Milk Conditioner on each section, detangling as I go and twisting it up to keep it tangle free. Then I'm going to rinse that out and begin the deep conditioning process. And girls, I cannot go without deep conditioning. This is a must for my routine. So I'm using Cantu Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask, and I'm working it in just like a relaxer back in the day. So I'm spreading it from the roots, working down to my ends and detangling as I go, and making sure I put a little bit of extra on my ends because that's the oldest part of my hair. So once I work it down, I'm going to detangle and twist it out, twist it up. But instead of pulling it up, I'm going to add a hairband, so once I rinse it out, it can stay tangle free. And I have a tutorial on how I deep condition my hair, so you can check that out as well. So once I complete all the sections, I add a plastic bag and a towel turban to create some hair. And just a little tip, you can throw the turban inside the dryer to make it warm. And I let this stay on my hair for about 20 to 25 minutes because your girl ain't about that dryer life. I just can't. So this is my final results of returning from straight to curly. My hair is moisturized, shiny, and my curls are popping. So Kinky Girls, you can go straight, but be careful and don't add a lot of heat. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel and you want to become part of the Kinky Girl team, make sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn on your post notifications so you'll be alerted anytime I upload a video. And another tip, you guys, don't add a lot of heat. I think I might have put heat in my hair maybe 4 to 6 times while it was straight in the 6 weeks period. And don't forget to follow me at all my socials. And I will see you girls in the next video. If you have any comments, please list them down below. Thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. And you girls already know. Thank you for watching. I love you girls for watching. Bye.